Whoa. Julia? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Julia, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me!
You're even more handsome now!
And I'm saying, what happened now? All right, I get it. Hate to break it to you.
Oh, your paranoia's about to be right.
Oh, see, that hit a nerve. You are. Don't you dare! Why would anyone believe you over me? Why?
That's it. I'm feeding this dude his teeth.
Just calm down!